Hello, my name is Pamela Longley, and I will be presenting my unit called Abstract Color Expressions. The theme for my unit is all about exploring identity and personal expression through the element of color and abstract art, both traditional and contemporary. My intended audience for this unit is my 5th grade elementary school students. And the time frame I have is about 10 to 12 classes that are about 50 minutes each. I have 5 performance tasks for this unit, beginning with an art critique of both traditional and contemporary abstract artists with a focus on color, moving on to creating an emotional color wheel that focuses on color psychology. After that, we'll explore color mixing. My 5th graders are required to do a monochromatic project, so we will create a geometric monochromatic abstract painting. And then finally, the students will create a contemporary abstract color expression painting. This is where they're really going to show me their identity through their expression and their use of color. This is an example of my first performance task where we look at 2 artists and complete the art critique. We go through the 4-step process and the focus is on color. Here are 2 more examples of my performance task. The first one is learning how to mix colors, and the second is the performance task where the unit where they've taken all that they've learned about abstract art, about color, moods, emotions, and create a final piece that demonstrates a bit of their artistic identity through color expression. I'll be using various methods of formative assessments. First, teacher observations, of course. We'll have some student self-reflections. We have the use of exit slips, and of course the use of checklists, teacher checklists that I provide the students with. Summative assessments are in the form of a rubric at the end of the performance task. So I've taken the lesson objectives or the performance task objectives and put them into the rubric. Here are the art pieces, the original art pieces that I created for this unit. The first is color mixing. The second here is the geometric abstract. The third one is the contemporary abstract. And this one here in the corner is the example of the emotional color wheel. This is a list of artists and artworks that I used in this unit. Each performance task I used 2 artists of focus. I did have many other artists in my Google slide. However, each performance task we did focus on 2 artists, looking at their artwork, looking at the colors, the expressions, any moods. I chose both a traditional and a contemporary artist for each lesson. So my goals for this unit are, I hope that my learners are able to identify the color schemes and relationships and use the academic vocabulary in order to engage in the process of art criticism. The art criticism for this unit is the one that focuses on the colors, the moods, and emotions in the artwork. I hope that they can take what they've learned and then apply it to their artwork to create abstract pieces that express their personal identity. And then finally, I want to be able to increase their knowledge of the art world by presenting both traditional and contemporary abstract artists. These are my goals for the unit. This is my unit presentation, and I hope you enjoyed it.